So today's topic is duality and simplex method. In the last lecture, we have seen how to find dual of a primal. Now we will see the correspondence between the solution of primal and solution of dual. Okay. So there is no difference while solving the dual using simplex. Okay. Because dual is another LPP only. So let us have one problem which we have solved. Oh, yes, so I will write the problem and the solution of the primal, the final table of the primal. Can you hear me? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Consider the primal LPP as follows. Maximize Z equal to 40x1 plus 35x2 subject to subject to 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 60, 4x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 96. Okay, and x1, x2 greater equal 0. So I'm writing the simplex table, optimal simplex table here. Okay, have you written the problem, girls?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
actually when you convert this into standard form, you will get 2x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 is 60. And this will give you 4x1 plus 3x2 minus s2 plus a1 is equal to 96. So which variables will be there in the basic solution? One slack and one artificial, right? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you can verify, you solve this using simplex. I am writing the final simplex table of this problem, okay? Final simplex table, optimal solution I am writing here, okay? Of the primal. And then we will solve dual using simplex and we will see the correspondence. Let me just unlock the meeting. Yeah. So the final simplex table is given as XB, CB, CJ and solution. So the variables are x2 and x1. Both decision variables are appearing in the solution. Their coefficients are 35, 40 and the answers are 8 and 18. These are the solutions. And the variables here are x1, x2, s1, s2. Sorry girls, there is printing mistake in the book. This should be less equal only. So it will not have slack and surplus and artificial variable. It will have only surplus variable. Okay. Have we solved this problem? You remember? Have we solved this problem? Nobody answers my questions. Yes, x1, x2, s1, s2. So I understood this because from the last table, okay, because there is no artificial variable here. That means only slack variables are there. So it must be less equal. So this is your final simplex table. And the Zj values are Zj minus Cj values directly they have given 0, 0, 10 by 3, 25 by 3, and here it is 40, 35, 0 and 0. This is ratio and the Z value. So pivotal operations are stopped here because all the Zj minus Cj values have become non-negative and the answer is 1000. So multiply 35 by 8, 35 into 8, that is 280, and 40 into 18, 18 fours are 720, 720 plus 280, that makes 1000. Okay, so this is the optimal solution. X1 is equal to 18, x2 is equal to 8, and z max is equal to 1000. Do you understand this, girls, what I'm saying? Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the purpose of writing this table is we want to see the correspondence between these Zj minus Cj values, where these constants are going to appear in case of dual solution 10 by 3, 25 by 3, 8 and 18, where they are going to appear, that we want to see in case of dual solution. So let us first write the dual now. Okay. Yeah, can you quickly tell me primal? We can write the dual then accordingly quickly. Primal batao. Maximize z equal to 40x1 plus 35x2 subject to 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 60, 4x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 96, x1, x2 greater or equal 0. Yes. Who can tell me dual now?
Minimize it.
Huh? Minimize.
Z not equal to
Huh?
60y1 plus 96y2.
देवश्री तुम्हारी आवाज क्यों इतनी कम आ रही है? Let me just check my sound. Yes, 60 y1 plus 96 y2
96y2.
subject to, now
2y1
this coefficients of x1. तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही देवश्री. Yes, it is greater equal 40. Right? Second constraint.
Three y1 plus 3y2. 30.
Yes. Okay, all of you understand this dual now?
Ma'am, 35, not 96.
कुठे ग?
Ma'am, 3y1 plus 3y2 is greater than or equal to 35.
Yes. Okay. Now quickly let us find the IBFS. First standard form, right? Standard form. Minimize z naught equal to 60y1 plus 96y2. Yes, what happens with the first constraint? Which variables we have to introduce?
minus S1
It is greater equal.
plus A1.
Surplus variable.
So y1, y2, s1, s2, a1, a2 all are greater equal 0. And here in the objective function, can you tell me? Come on, girls. In the objective function, what should I write? What are the coefficients of these new variables?
minus 0 S1,
0 into S1. 0 into S2.
And what are the
0
coefficients
into
of
1.
Plus
a1, a2?
MA1 M
a1, a2
plus MA1
plus ma1 plus
plus
ma2.
MA2.
Right? Yes. So this is the standard form. Now we want to get the IBFS. Okay? All of you have written this or not?
yes ma'am.
Okay, now I am erasing this. And here only I will write the IBFS. Set 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4 variables equal to 0. Namely, which variables you will set equal to 0? X1, the decision
Y1
variables. Sorry,
Y1 Y2
sorry,
S1
Y1,
S2.
Y1, Y1, Y2, S1,
Y2 S1
S2.
S2.
And therefore, what do you get? You get A1 equal to 40, A2 equal to 35,
40 A2 equals to
positive आ रहे
35.
दोनों, and Z0 75 M, right? M is very large. So this is non-degenerate, right? As both your A1 and A2 are at positive level. Okay? So I will write the solution of dual also directly. Now you know how to solve the problem, right? A1, A2 will get replaced by. So there are 3 tables actually you need to solve. So let us not waste our time in solving because we have solved so many problems using simplex, isn't it? Do you understand, girls, what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm writing the final simplex table of dual. Of dual LPP. Okay? So our variables are now y1, y2, s1, s2, a1, a2. Their coefficients are 60, 96, 0, 0, m, m. Okay, in the final simplex table, you will get y2 and y1, and their answers are 25 by 3, and 10 by 3. This is 96, 60. Finished writing? I will rewrite the primal table also. Okay. So in the primal table, we will have the same thing. यहाँ पे था x2 ना, x1, x2, s1 and s2, only 4 variables, and their coefficients were 40, 35, 0, 0, and here also x2 comes first, then x1, 35 and 40, and the answers are 8 and 18. Okay, so both are the final simplex tables. The first one is of dual and the second one is of primal. Okay, so can you see the correspondence between the solutions? Can you see some numbers are repeated, they are appearing, only their positions are changed? See, what is the answer of y1 10 by 3? Girls, do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
The answer of y1 in dual is 10 by 3. That is appearing as zj minus cj coefficient of slack variable in the primal. Okay. Then answer of y2 is 25 by 3. And that is appearing as zj minus cj coefficient of another slack variable in primal. Okay. And the answers, if you observe the answers of primal, x2 is 8. Where do you find 8 here? Where do you find 8 and 18? Can you find them here? 8 minus m and 18 minus m. Do you realize this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the answers, the solutions of primal you can find in the Zj minus Cj row. Solutions of primal you can find in the Zj minus Cj row of dual, and solutions of dual you can find in the Zj minus Cj row of primal. And ultimately the values are same. If there is an optimal solution, the solution of primal and solution of dual will be same. The interpretation will be different. For primal it would be the maximum value, for dual it would be the minimum value. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood this? So one can find out, सी बेसिक सॉल्यूशंस कौन से है वो आपको देखना है. ये आप बोलोगे मैडम यहाँ पे भी -8 आ रहा है, ये क्यों नहीं आपने लिया? बट विच आर द बेसिक वेरिएबल्स, टेल मी. पहले, सबसे पहले कौन से वेरिएबल्स आने वाले थे ड्यूएल के? ड्यूएल में पहले टेबल में कौन से वेरिएबल्स आते हैं ड्यूएल में?
A1, A2.
A1 A2 आते थे ना. अगर आपने पहला टेबल बनाया होता, then A1 A2, they are your basic variables in the dual, so you have to look at the basic variables. Similarly, in case of primal, S1 and S2 are basic variables, so you have to look at their coefficient in Zj minus Cj. There should not be any doubt. Do you understand it? We will write down these observations. Have you written both the tables?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Observations.
Ma'am, your slide is not moving actually.
Now, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Optimal solution of primal is same as, or optimal value of the objective function. You can say optimal value of objective function in primal, it's same as optimal value of objective function in dual. Okay, the values are same obviously, but the numbers are not same. But if you have one answer, you can find out the other answer. देखो, starting solution variables in primal कौन से थे? Which variables? Starting solution में कौन से variables आएंगे primal के, बताओ. पहले इसमें कौन से variable आएंगे? S1 and S2 आएंगे ना? Yes or no? First table में.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो हमें वो लिखना है अभी. तो वो होंगे S1 S2. Okay, and corresponding Zj minus Cj coefficients of S1 and S2 in optimal solution of primal क्या थे बताओ? S1 S2 के कोएफिशिएंट्स क्या है? आपके सामने टेबल है ना लिखा हुआ. What are the coefficients of Zj minus Cj in the final table of primal?
0, 0.
10 by
S1, S2
10 by 3 by
why you are
25 by
confusing
3.
yourself?
Sorry, 10 by
10 by 3 and
25 by
25 by 3. And what are the corresponding dual variables? यही वैल्यूज आपकी किसकी आई बताओ? ये 10 by 3 किसका आंसर आया?
y2 y1
एंड 25 by 3 किसका आया? y2 का आया. समझा क्या? आर यू गेटिंग दिस?
yes ma'am
अभी ऐसा ही हम ड्यूएल के बारे में लिखेंगे. सेम चीजें हम ड्यूएल के बारे में लिखेंगे. स्टार्टिंग सॉल्यूशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स इन ड्यूएल. So now I am writing about dual. सिर्फ मैं प्राइमल की जगह पे. So ये थर्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन है. स्टार्टिंग सॉल्यूशन वेरिएबल्स इन ड्यूएल. विच वेरिएबल्स आर स्टार्टिंग वेरिएबल्स? ड्यूएल में स्टार्टिंग वेरिएबल्स कौन से है बताओ?
A1 A2 A1 A2
A2. यस, बेसिक वेरिएबल्स आपके. आपने सॉल्यूशन ढूंढा ना इसका. A1 A2 देखो, ये स्टार्टिंग वेरिएबल्स है आपके ड्यूएल के. सो वो है A1 A2 आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल्स. व्हाट आर देयर कोएफिशिएंट्स इन ड्यूएल in the final table? In the final
Ma'am,
table,
show the last slide.
18 minus m
the last slide, Vipashini. Okay? Finished or not?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And the next one, now here, what are the coefficients of Zj minus Cj? What are the coefficients in the Zj minus Cj row of A1 and A2? In the dual table, this
minus
table.
m
18 minus m and
18
8
minus
minus m.
m.
Yes.
minus m
18 minus m and 8 minus m, and these values correspond to प्राइमल वेरिएबल्स. कौन से प्राइमल वेरिएबल्स के ये आंसर आ रहे हैं आपके? 18 and 8.
x2 x1
x2 and x1.
No ma'am, X1 X2.
x2 and x1 नहीं, x1 x2. Have you understood this correspondence, girls? So whenever
Yes, ma'am.
primal has an optimal solution, so the dual has. Okay? And the optimal values of the objective functions will be same.
Ma'am, can you explain the corresponding primal variables?
Where do you find these values 18 and 8? Ignore this m now. Ignore this m. So where do you find 18 and 8 values in primal solution? This is primal solution, Vipashini. Can you see the primal solution? So where do you find 8 and 18 values in the solution? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना आपको?
Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ. So these 18 and 8 value, they correspond to 18 corresponds to x1, 8 corresponds to x2. Okay? So if your LPP is in the canonical form, you can easily find out that from both the tables. Okay? From one table you can find out the answers. You can imagine the answers in the dual also. And the optimal values are going to be same. The objective functions optimal values are going to be same. Now this is the case when the LPP has an optimal solution. But what in case LPP has an unbounded solution? Then what can you say about dual? If primal has an unbounded solution, then what can you say about dual solution? If primal has no solution, can you say dual also has no solution? If primal has, what else you have? Alternate solution. Will the dual have alternate solution? Okay, so that we will see in the next class. Okay. So this is what duality is. You can apply the same pivotal operations, the same simplex method, big M method as per the situation. But you have to remember that while finding dual, if your objective function is of maximization type, all the constraints must be less equal type. Then only you can find the dual. Exactly opposite, if your objective function is of minimization type, all the constraints must be greater equal type, then only you can find the dual. If the problem has mixed type of constraints, according to the objective type function, you have to convert your constraints either equal to less equal to greater equal type. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Today's attendance. Yes, शुरू करो अपने numbers.
Roll number 1 present.
Roll number 2 present.
Roll number 3 present.
सिर्फ number बोलो.
Ma'am 3.
5.
6.
7, 8,
9.
10.
11.
12.
13.
14,
जिसका ना आवाज आएगा, जिसकी आवाज आएगी उसी का अटेंडेंस लगेगा. 14 के बाद
16.
19.
18.
15 के बाद डायरेक्टली 19. 16, 17, 18 कहाँ हो आप?
Ma'am 18 present.
16.
Present ma'am.
फटाफट बोलो रे, अपने अपने नंबर ले लो.
18.
हाँ,
19.
20.
21.
मुझे दिखाई देता है, किसी फ्रेंड का मत लगाओ. हाँ, जिसका नंबर है वो स्पीकिंग मुझे दिखाई देता है यहाँ पे. हाँ, 21 के बाद 24. नेक्स्ट, जल्दी.
26.
29. 28.
Roll number 30.
Ma'am 28.
ma'am 17,
क्या? 27.
17,
17. 17 संजना, फिर से बोलो.
ma'am 17,
हाँ, 30 के बाद बोलो अभी.
32,
33.
35. Ma'am 25.
प्रसिद्धि, इतना लेट क्यों करते हो तुम हमेशा?
मैम वो लैपटॉप में मैम म्यूट अनम्यूट होता ही नहीं है जल्दी.
See, why should I believe all these reasons?
36.
Next.
7.
Next.
38.
37 के बाद 38. Fast.
मैम 40.
हाँ
40.
हाँ
40.
41 42 नहीं है, आगे बोलो.
45.
47.
47. 47.
48.
काय श्रावणी अटेंडन्स द्यायचंय का? श्रावणी आहे का तिथे समोर?
Yes, ma'am.